Kusho ukuthini kuwe lokhu kunamhlanje ukuthi unyathile esigodlweni emashobeni?
Phela mina ngiyangihleza ngitshena abantu ngithi ngiyindoni yamanzi, intombi yomZulu engakhohlwa iculture yayo. So mengabe kunezinto zesintu ezenzeka kanjena ngiyangithanda ukuthi ngifike ngizobukela izinto zesintu ngiparticipate. Namhlanje nje I'm looking forward ukubamba umhlanga ngohambisa. So kubantu besifazana abakhulayo ngifuna ukuthi kubona ayikho into impossible emhlabeni. Yonke into iyenzeka and siyakwazi ukuzenzela and asikadepende kakhulu ekutheni mesifuna izinto zenzeke fanele kube nomuntu wesilisa ngemuva kwethu ukuze abantu besilisa bahloniphe fanele bazi ukuthi basifica nathi siyakwazi ukuzenzela sizame noma ungawa kanjani ufeyile uphinda usuku umqale phansi uyithuntuthu uqale phansi kabusha uzame because umuntu wesilisa uyamhlonipha umuntu wesifazane ozamayo rather than umuntu wesifazane odepende kuyena. Ngiyabonga.
Ngifisa sesivala imessage yakho abantu besifazane kodwa ebheke koNdlunkulu ke manje njengoba ubavakashela uze kubo uzobavakashela kanjalo nesilo samabandla wonke imessage nje
engakusho namhlanje ngikubonile ngingakaze ngize ngikubone mina angikaze ngayi-understand into ye-polygamist but namhlanje ngithe ngibuka oNdlunkulu behleli ngaphambili bekhuluma bezwana ngayibuka ngayibona ukuthi awubandla shame kanti ikhona la ekuyenzeke khona ngiyabahalalisela ngozwano nangokuhlangana kwabe ngikubonile besithi mesukuma bangifunda step esisha namhlanje bethi basukume bonke it's nice ngiyacela baqhuquzele lokho ukuthi ifamily ibe ndawonye ibambane ngaso sonke isikhathi.
Masibonga kakhulu isikhathi siphezulu siyokulandela ke sesikubona ukuthi uthatha umhlanga
kanjani ngiyothatha ngempela umhlanga ngiyobeka nazo siyabonga.
Sisekhona hayi ubani othi yena kakade engathi asisahambi la ngathi asisahambi la asivele sipisa amadokodo khona la
Hello everyone, Ngenuchisana and welcome to my channel. So this past weekend, Mamkhize attended Umkhosi Wesivivane at Emashobeni Royal Palace and Mpakama Sports Grounds, where thousands of women from across KwaZulu-Natal gathered. Umkhosi Wesivivane is an annual Zulu cultural event held during Women's Month, which is August in South Africa, to celebrate women, promote empowerment and leadership, and preserve Zulu culture and traditions. Mamkhize was captured at the event with members of the royal family, including Queen Tokozo Maisela and Queen Sihle Mdluli. It looks like Mamkhize is back to her out and about self again, with her appearance at Umkhosi Wesivivane marking one of her latest high-profile public outings after going quiet during the SARS and Royal AM saga. Anyway, do let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you so much for watching.